Your tomatoes are staying green because it is actually too hot outside for them to turn red. Everyone thinks tomatoes need to bake in the blazing summer sun to get that perfect red color, but that is a massive myth. Once the temperature outside pushes past 85 degrees for a few days in a row, your tomato plant completely shuts down its production of lycopene and carotene. Those are the pigments that actually make the fruit turn red. So your tomatoes could be perfectly mature, full size, and completely ready to go. But they are just going to sit there, looking green or weirdly pale orange until the weather finally cools off. And here is another thing most people get wrong about their gardens. Sunlight is not the magic switch that triggers ripening. Tomatoes can actually ripen perfectly fine in pitch black darkness. What actually flips the switch is a plant hormone called ethylene. Once a tomato reaches its full mature size, it starts producing this gas to break down the green chlorophyll and build up the red lycopene. This is exactly why you can pick a stubborn green tomato, throw it in a paper bag with a banana or an apple, and watch it turn red in just a few days. The banana traps the ethylene gas right around the tomato and forces it to ripen. Just make sure the tomato is actually full size first, because picking a tiny, immature one will not work no matter what you do. If your tomatoes are turning red, but they look super blotchy with weird yellow shoulders near the stem, you do not have a heat problem. You have a potassium problem. A lot of gardening advice tells you to dump heavy phosphorus on your plants, but potassium is the actual nutrient that drives even, beautiful coloring. Also, stop blasting your plants with high nitrogen fertilizer once they start fruiting. Nitrogen just gives you a massive, leafy green bush and completely delays the actual fruit from ripening. You also need to keep your watering super consistent. Going from bone-dry soil to a flooded garden stresses the plant out, and a stressed plant is going to take forever to ripen its fruit. Water deeply, let the top inch dry out, and repeat. So the next time you are staring at a vine full of stubborn green tomatoes, stop trying to fix it with more fertilizer or pruning away leaves for more sun. Check the thermometer instead. If it is over 85 degrees, just wait it out. Or pick the big ones and bring them inside to a paper bag. Mother Nature just needs a little air conditioning to finish the job.